Thank you, Mane Trichu Sivaji. Dr. Banda Prakash ji.
Chairman, sir. Sir, the Insurance Act of 1938 was enactment to consolidate and amend the law relating the business of insurance in the company, sir. Foreign investment insurance sector was permitted in the year 2000 by allowing the sum up to 26% the Indian insurance company. Subsequently, while Insurance Laws Amended Act 2015, this limit is foreign investment was raised to 49%, sir. Sir, after raising this 49%, after nearly 5 years of the FDA limit was raised 26 to 49%, only 8 life insurance players out of 23 private players and 4 out of 21 private general insurers have foreign promoters holding 49%. Many insurance players still have foreign holding of only 26%, even lower. According to a data available by September 2019, sir, as per 2019 statistics, the equity of life insurers, the share of foreign investors are only 35.49%, sir. The equity of general health and reinsurers percentage is 23.66%, sir. So many companies are not even utilizing that 49% limit. Why the government is bringing this one, we don't understand. We will confine to particularly LIC. There is a lot of apprehensions in the public mind. The government has initiated the process of amending the Insurance Act, allowing increase FDI in 74% and proceeds with the issue of IPO in LIC. Thus, the government has set a motion of process of sell a portion of its stakes in most prestigious public financial institution of the country, sir. Sir, LIC is expansion of emergency of largest insurer in the world. In terms of number of policyholders and claim settlements has been done entirely through resources generated internally. The government did not make any additional contribution to the initial capital of 5 crores in 1956, which was enhanced to 100 crores in 2011 due to regulatory issues. On this meager capital base, LIC today managing its assets of rupees 32 lakh crores. Sir, listing into many listed companies, they have a bitter experience. They have collapsed due to bad management, and in the recent times, we have seen the collapse of ILFS, DHFLS, S-Bank, and Lakshmi Vilas Bank. During the 2008 economic crisis, many big global corporate houses like Lehman Brothers, Fortis, collapsed, and American Insurance Group was served from the destruction by pumping in taxpayers' money by the Federal Reserve of USA, sir. LIC is the largest investor in the Indian economy. LIC generated funds to the tune of 3.5 to 4 lakh crores annually. Therefore, there is no necessity for LIC to go into the market for funds. The total investment of the corporation amounted 30,069,942 crores as on 31st March 2020. LIC has made an investment of 24 lakhs 1,457 crores in government and social sector as on 31st March 2020. Sir, an insurance policy holders want safe of his investment also good returns. LIC has full promoted the interest of its policy holders. While ensuring total safety of the funds of the policy holders, LIC has track record of giving the best bonus. LIC has set very good servicing standards and claim settlements. Performance is the best in the global insurance industry. Sir, therefore, when LIC was created an Act of Parliament in 1956 to serve the individual as well as the state. The then Prime Minister said that with nationalization of insurance industry, profit motive goes out of it and service motive comes into it. Sir, the LIC, therefore we request the government, the LIC must remain 100% under the control of the government, sir. It has been historically proved that only where the state controls of the people's savings, they can be channelized to the national development. The control of private sector and domestic households savings will be private profit maximization. The social objective of providing insurance to the weaker sections will receive a severe setback. The aim to expand insurance in the unprofitable rural areas too will suffer. Hence, disturbing the character of LIC will harm the interest of the national economy and the poorer section of the Indian society, sir. I request, nobody knows what is insurance, sir. Entire country knows only LIC. If you ask anybody, you are having LIC policy, they will say yes. You got insurance, they said no. But only LIC is resembling name of the only insurance of the company. I request the government protect the LIC of India. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Banda Prakash ji. Honorable Sri Subhash